saw my buddy Dakota and Kevin up at Charged Automotive. They have the first Tesla Plaid Model S in Nebraska. We might or might not have put it in drag strip mode. Sorry, Dakota. Check out that steering wheel. This is insane for a car to have a steering wheel like this. You know, I gotta concentrate on driving because it's so hard with the steering wheel. You know, it's like a game controller. When you want to turn, you just tap the button there, turn that off, and check this out. You ready? This thing is wicked fast. Oh my goodness. It is lightning fast. The fit and finish on this thing is superb. It definitely puts you back in your seat. This is awesome. Hey guys, beautiful Saturday. We just wrapped up with one of my favorite cars on the market, the 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid. Wow! Now, you know I'm a big Tesla guy. I've had 3 Model S's, currently driving a Model X. I've driven numerous P100Ds, performance models. This car is completely different. Not like the rest at all. A couple things. It is now wrapped with Michelin PS4S, Pilot Sport 4Ss. Now you guys with high performance vehicles, supercars, you know that the stickiest tire you can buy for a car is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. I mean, this thing just launches. It sticks you back in your seat. The Plaid is rated at 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, which is lightning fast. They've changed a bunch of little things on this car for the better, for the more luxurious reasons. Now, the back seats actually have a ton of Alcantara back here. This used to be made out of cheap foam. Now it is made out of Alcantara, which is awesome. All the side now is all wrapped. This used to be exposed cheap plastic, but now they have wrapped all of this just to make it look really, really nice, really high end, probably to keep the sound deadening in and maybe to keep it from not scratching. That's pretty cool. So still a lot of the Tesla body lines of the past, except now it's way wider. When you look at this car, the front fenders are flared out like a wide body kit. So are the rears, check that out. It is way wider than factory. I'm guessing to keep it stuck to the ground more, keep it that low, wide profile. We're gonna check out the back seat. One of the coolest things about a Tesla back seat is that it doesn't have a center console. Wait, did I say cool? No, that sucks. But now they've actually fixed that. Boom. Check that out. There is now a center console in the back of the Tesla with cup holders, and you even have a little screen. In the little screen, you can control your temperature controls. It's off right now, but you can do your temperature controls. You can watch videos. Now you set your phone here, and it charges your phone too. That is so wild. That's great. Tesla, thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. One over here, one over here. Great job. Still really good lines. Let's check out the inside. All the doors now have haptic type controls. So this isn't a button. You press it and it opens your door. This is just a touch sensitive button. So this is far more superior than what the Model 3 has, because the Model 3 still has a little button right there. What I've noticed too is this factory glass roof is now a lot darker than it used to be. It used to be a lot brighter, but now it's a lot darker, possibly giving you better heat rejection. I don't know, we'll have to find out. This new screen here really is Android-esque. And by Android-esque, I mean, it just has a really fast, snappy feeling. So you hit controls, boom, it's there. You wanna switch between things, boom, it's fast. It's of course got the new style suspension that allows the automatic leveling, and you can set it to whatever position you want, and it handles very, 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 very well. I had to say that a couple times just so you guys know how it handles. And then of course we have drag strip mode. Look at that. It starts heating up the motors. That's very similar to what ludicrous mode used to be. on the cars, and it gives you your top performance, which it's sprinkling just a tad bit outside, so I don't think we need to probably do that. Of course, you have your standard autopilot, your charging, all that good stuff, your garage door opener built in. They've done quite a few updates. The interior fit and finish of this vehicle is awesome. Of course, you have the new yoke steering wheel that everybody just raves about. It's a little weird to drive at first, but I think I get used to it. The cool thing is, it's got the blinkers built onto the wheel. And bonus points for all you viewers out there in TV land. What other vehicle has the blinkers built onto the steering wheel? A, Maserati, B, Subaru, C, Lamborghini. Let me know. Put it down in the answers down below, and the winner will get a high five. You got the lights here. Obviously, you have the horn you can honk. Boop, boop. And then you have your Siri and all that good stuff. Press and hold this button for autopilot. Press and hold this button for ejector seat.
Ejector seat, cuz! It worked! I love this button!
Moving on. So we have the new center console that looks very sleek and expensive, which we like expensive. And now you can open it and you have this little, oh, that's it? That's all you have? Oh, that kind of sucks. The old center console is bigger. Well, I'm just kidding. Check this out. Boom! You got a ton of space. Tesla never disappoints. And then you can shut it. This, I am guessing, we're gonna shoot for it. Should be charging as well. Yes! Look at that, wireless charging. Tesla has hit the nail on the head with this car. So one more look at the rest of the interior. The fit and finish has been very, very much upgraded. You now have door stuff, pods where you can put more junk, put your Kleenexes, your kids' toys, whatever you want to put in there. So Tesla's looking out for you there. And then you have these beautifully comfortable seats. You have the whole open roof, which is nice. Of course, lined with suede and Alcantara, the most expensive materials on the face of the earth.
Stop the cap!
I've driven a lot of fast cars, but this car just really sticks you in the seat, and the torque curve now with the tri-motor is just like eliminated because the torque curve is constantly there. Whether you're going 40 and you punch it, or whether you're going 80 and you punch it, you're definitely thrown back in your seat. If you guys want to check out this Tesla, go see my friend Dakota and Kevin over at Charged Automotive. They are the #1 used Tesla reseller in the Midwest, and he will be having this car with another one coming in soon. Maybe we'll have one here at GP Customs, and we'll bring it to the channel and do some cool stuff with it. Watching. This has been my review of the 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid. Let us know what cars you want us to review next. We always have late model cars here at GP Customs. Follow us online, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.